So let's set up our permalinks the most optimal way. Um, what you're going to see here is this link that comes up, and we'll just scroll the page, and it's just optional common settings. Okay, it's always going to start on the default, which is your permalinks are going to look like this: your site.com/page, and then whatever post your number is. Okay, that's not that great for search engines and such like that, because you want the name of your title into your permalink. So what you do is you'll click on all number of tags are available, and what's going to take you to is the WordPress codex, and basically it's going to tell you what the permalinks. It's going to give you the information about permalinks and the different types. There's the ugly, which is the default. There's pretty ones, which are and this is basically saying these are the pretty ones. It's going to say the category name, the year, month, date, post name. The almost pretty ones, maybe the year, the month, the day, the post name. Okay, so you can choose your own structure, and this is what's going to happen. You're going to take one of these codes, depending on how you want to set up your permalink, and then you're going to copy it, and you're going to bring it over to here. So then what you're going to do is you're going to type in your site, and I'm going to do that, and then I want to set up my post. So if you have different authors, maybe you want to go with author. You can go with some tags, categories, post name. We do want that in, but we're going to have that last. You can have the time, the minute, the hour, the day, the month. It doesn't matter. All these different things. Here you'll see it says using only post names. The rewrite rules make it impossible to access pages. It's best to include some numeric data. So, you kind of want to separate it. And here's it, using them. So all I want to do is I'm going to take category, copy that, bring it over here, paste, /, come back over here, and then I'm going to take the post name and paste. And then anytime you go to a page on my site, it's going to basically be mysite.com / the category that the post is in, which could be blogging, and then it's going to be the post name, how to blog. So it's going to, that's going to be the thing, and that's much more search engine friendly, because the search engines are going to look through your posts and the titles. They're looking for the text. They're not looking for page 123. So this is very important. So that's one of the first steps that you want to do. And like I said, you go in here and you can read through this, different stuff, and it's got a whole bunch of information. There's going to be plugins that we're going to use to make sure that we always get to the permalink pages, or if there are any errors. So, but the most important stuff is here. You want this information. So, you choose whatever you want. Like I said, if you have multiple people posting on the blog, you might want the author so people know right away who made the post. And if make sure people try to choose shorter usernames, and that'll help. So that's it. That's permalinks, and that's what you want to do first thing, because if you wait till after you've already been blogging, then you're going to need the plugins immediately to redirect them all. Okay, that's that.